The Pigeons Journey, a story of patience, effort, and success. Hi, motivated learners! Welcome back to EduSpark English. Today's story will show you how small, steady steps can lead to big results. Just like a pigeon building its home one twig at a time. Match the words 1 to 5 with their meanings. A-E. Words 1. Twig 2. Curious. 3. Determined. 4. Steady. 5. Accomplishment. Meanings. A. Wanting to know or learn something. B. A small, thin branch from a tree. C. Something you achieve after hard work. D. Continuous and without rushing. E. Having a strong desire to keep going until you succeed. Think and talk. You should say, why do some people give up before reaching their goal? Can you think of something you built or achieved slowly over time? How does patience help in real life? Listening tips. To help you understand the story better, listen for the small actions that lead to the big result. Notice the pigeon's attitude. What keeps it going? Think about the lesson for your own goals. Don't worry about every word. Focus on the meaning. Let's watch the story. The Pigeon's Nest. On a lazy Sunday afternoon, George and his friends noticed a pigeon flying back and forth from a barn to a nearby tree. Curious, they watched as the pigeon carefully picked up one twig at a time from the barn and carried it to the tree. The boys were puzzled and wondered what the pigeon was doing. They observed as the pigeon made trip after trip, each time bringing a single twig to the tree. It seemed like a slow process, but the pigeon was determined. As the day went on, the pigeon continued its work, never rushing, just steadily collecting one twig at a time. By the end of the day, the boys were amazed to see that the pigeon had built a beautiful nest in the tree. Each small effort had added up to something significant. As the sun set on the horizon, the pigeon settled comfortably into its newly built nest and peacefully went to sleep. The boys realized that the pigeon had achieved its goal by taking small, consistent steps. They learned that even the longest journey begins with a single step, and steady effort can lead to great accomplishments. Let's speak. Talk about a time when you achieved something by working on it step by step. You should say what it was, how long it took, what challenges you faced, how you felt when you finished. Let's write. Write about a goal you want to achieve slowly and steadily. You should include what the goal is, what small steps you will take, how you will stay motivated, what you hope to feel when you succeed. Final thought. Big achievements are built from small actions. Patience, persistence, and steady effort can help you reach your dreams. Remember, one twig at a time builds the nest. Want more inspiring life stories and English learning tools? Subscribe to EduSpark, EnglishYouTube.com, at EduSpark English. Like, comment, share with friends.